Hi! So, want to know who's coming today? We have a very gorgeous mother today. So, let's talk about beauty. Beauty isn't having a pretty face, it's all about having a beautiful mind, a beautiful smile, and most importantly, having a beautiful soul. A beautiful woman is a beautiful woman, but a beautiful woman with a brain is an absolutely lethal combination. So today we have a very gorgeous mother and she has her unique story to share. So let's welcome Mrs. India Brainy Beauty 2019, Mrs. Khanjna Kavan Mota. It's an immense pleasure to welcome you, Khanjna. So let's talk more about you.
Mothers are not the ones who have never struggled. They are the ones who have never given up despite of all struggles. Here's wishing a very happy Mother's Day to all the viewers out there. Gratitude is one of the most beautiful way to express what is there in one's heart. So firstly, a very big thank you to Dhwani and Amor for giving this opportunity to share our experiences and inspire many more women to do the same. Hi all, I am Khanjna Kavan Mota celebrating motherhood with my 1.5-year-old sweetheart Ridan. Being a mother is truly a blessing. Being a mother is learning about strengths you didn't know you had and dealing with fears you never knew existed. Motherhood is a journey of you and your children. Professionally, I'm a qualified fashion and accessory designer and a commerce graduate. But my passion for fashion led me to one of the most noble profession, teaching. So yes, I'm into teaching fashion and accessory designing with one of the most reputed institutes in India since past 11 years now.
And not just that, she also has a passion and they are tours and travels planners. She also customizes tours for you. Wow, isn't it cool? Okay, so Khanchana, tell me, how did this brain and beauty contest started? And after that, the new things coming in your life?
Being in this field, I was actively involved in multiple fashion shows, fashion seminars and exhibitions, workshops, and working around with professional models. So being in the industry, it basically gave me chance and opportunity to get in touch with the glamour world throughout. But just after I conceived and went for a break from my career front, trying to become, of course, the best mom like everyone would wish to be, I came across one of the most interesting caption which just read that, "Who said moms can't walk the ramp?" Just from there, my journey of India Brainy Beauty started. My husband, my parents, my in-laws, and most importantly, my son, who was just 9.5 months old, were the ones who pushed me to go and live my dreams. Unlike any other pageant, I went through the auditions, I went through the official trainings which all the pageants have. So like the trainings went on for 3 days and then eventually I won the pageant, bagging the subtitle of Best Catwalk and even the winner of Mrs. India Brainy Beauty 2019. Okay, so talking about new chapters in life, I can say winning the pageant proved to be a life changer for me. Just after winning the pageant, I started getting so many offers, like probably coming as guest of honors for event, or probably called as a judge for judging fashion shows, or probably going for live chat sessions and speaking as inspirational speaker and many more such things. So yes, truly it was a life-changing experience after winning the pageant. Apart from that, I even started getting offers from media for working in into advertisements, into web series, working for magazine shoots, or probably even participating in international pageants. But to be really very frank, I still haven't given a thought on all of these because my current priority is only my child. Also, because I'm into the fashion field, which I haven't stopped, so partial hours of my week go over there into teaching. So the remaining part currently is completely dedicated towards Ridan and family.
Yes, I agree to that. Family support always matters. And Kanjna, you should definitely do that offers too. Okay, let us know what are the values of life you give to Ridan as a mother.
Apart from teaching values, mannerisms, etiquettes, curriculums, and probably activities which every mother does for a child, I would like to follow as a mom a very simple 3-step formula for my child. Step number 1, I want to walk before him when he is a child. If I walk before him, I can set an example for him. Step number 2, I would like to walk behind him when he's a teenager. So at that time, I want to give all the backing and support which I can give for him to grow and flourish. And step number 3, I want to walk beside him when he turns an adult. So I can be a friend to him and I can enjoy the life and the moments with him throughout.
Those are really great points. How would you express the immense support given to you by your family?
It's rightly said, families are compass that guide you. Due to their inspiration, support and encouragement, I have reached the heights which I am today. I feel super proud to do this confession actually on social media today that I am a strong woman because I was raised by a strong woman. And I got even stronger and flourished more post I got married because there was one more mother angel supporting me later. Although we are celebrating Women's Week, I want to take a step ahead to thank all the wondrous and amazing men in my life too. My dad for making me who I am today on my career front, my husband who has never learned to say a no, who has given me wings to live my dreams and to fly. My father-in-law who's always been so optimistic and encouraging, and last but not the least, my son who's been such a huge support system from such a tender age when he was just 10 months. I mean, who can even think of participating and going out for pageants and actually bagging prizes, winning, doing so many things on career front. So million thank you, my lucky charm. Mama loves you a lot.
Wow, like 10 months. You are really lucky. Okay, and a small message to all our moms here.
So I would like to end it by saying, you get in life what you have the courage to ask for. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. So always be optimistic, keep moving ahead, chase your dreams and desires and live your life to the fullest. माँ के लिए जितना बोले उतना कम है, जितना करे उतना कम है, सब माएँ होती ऐसी है. सिर्फ मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी टू ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स, इतना ध्यान रखे, इतना प्रे करे कि माँ के बिना कोई घर ना हो और कोई माँ घर के बिना ना हो. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Kanjna. It was pleasure having you today. Thank you for giving us so much time and a beautiful message to all. Thank you so much. Till then, stay home, stay safe.